now at the CN Tower. Hey, Judy. Hello, Papa Chen.
Hi.
Pwede ba sumali? Hello, people. Hi, everybody. And now we're shooting sa super lamig dito. Sabi nila summer daw sa Canada, but it's not summer. Kasi ang wind mo sa pinakamataas na lugar ng CN Tower. Hi everyone! Look who I'm with! Hello! Ha ha ha!
Mga Bisaya.
Oh yes, Bisaya represent Judd. Hello, and that's the CN Tower! Ayan siya guys. Medyo foggy lang, pero ayan po siya.
Designated hitter number 25, Ryan Healy.
Hello, everybody!
Story ba yan?
Hi, IG Story!
IG story yan? IG story ba yan? IG story ba yan? IG story?
Hey, done watching! Hi! Just finished watching the Blue Jays. Oh my gosh, may suntukan! Oh my God, may suntukan, may suntukan. Nagbubuo ang mga tao. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Done with the spills and time to explore Toronto. Whee! Whee! Bye. And reunited with my brother Dear and Jonesy.